Whew.
Getting into range.
You should see me free falling. My parachute. Oh, yeah, my parachute did open.
Oh crap, master arm. Fox! Fox 3. You waved off.
Damn.
Got you, bitch. Smoked him once.
Did you hit him?
Yeah. Looks like a good splash. Yeah, he's going down. Oh, he's skying. He must have punched, though. Oh, fuck, missile. He's shooting. I thought I had him. Oh, shit!
Did he hit you?
I don't think so. I'm just really heavy, so... He's having a hard time flying. I'm over top of him now. Here he comes. Oh, he's going down. Man, I want to see the playback of this one. No, he's still maneuverable, little bastard.
Altitude. Altitude.
I don't think he has anything left, though, for shooting. Other than a gun. I'm so heavy, though. Jinking. Extending, if I can. Yeah, I'm skying.
Okay, I'm gonna rip out to the runway here right now.
Oh, fuck. He's shooting at me, man.
Man, I wish I could just take off straight this way.
Okay, punching my tanks off.
Oh, do you have 3 tanks?
No, no. I said 2 wing tanks.
Oh, okay. Oh, shit.
Alright, motherfucker. You going down. He knows he's fucked now.
Altitude.
I
Altitude.
think the mistake I made was I fucking went head on by myself. Okay.
Better not go. There we go. I wish I knew the command to use these 9Xs in my
Is your
helmet.
keyboard still acting?
Fox
stupid?
2. Splash.
Nice.
Piece of shit. Yeah, he's going down now. That's right. That killed him. He didn't eject.
Nice. We got another one somewhere around 211.